Kayo napapansin mo parang umulan na konti na pasin mo. Ibig sabihin yung luha yan ng papa mo. Ngayon nakita ka ni papa mo na nagiging successful na yung anak niya. Wala palang imposible sa ating mga... Kahit galing tayo sa mahirap na buhay, pwede pa mabago yung buhay. Walang imposible. Tandaan mo, Regine. Salute ako sa'yo. Proud ako sa'yo kasi bakit hindi ka dumaan sa first car. Ngayon, naka-sports car ka na.
Hindi na nang parami yung may sports car sa
And all those things I didn't say were wrecking balls inside my brain. I will scream loud tonight. Can you hear my voice this time? This is my fight song. Take back my life song. Prove I'm alright song. My power's turned on. Stop me right now. I'll be strong. I'll fight my fight song. And I don't really care what nobody else believes. 'Cause I've still got a lot of fight left in me. No, I've still got a lot of fight left in me.